YouTube. MS200t. Working on the coil, and according to the IPL, we should be using 4x20, and I did not have those screws in it, and I think I can tell you why. Okay, that's what the IPL calls for, right? Now, so I went and got. I couldn't find 18s or 21s anywhere locally, so I got some, and I still couldn't find 18, but I got some socket head screws, which is fine. It'll just be a pain. But they're going to be a little stouter, I think. To make a long story short, the longest screw I could get in either of those holes was a 16 millimeter. So those should be 4x16 for the saw. That is either a misprint or they did it different. It's one of the two. I would say that it's probably they did it different. But in any case, as far as the installation goes, you can see that both wires, the kill wire goes under, this goes on top. It sort of seals it down in that crevice. I've got the kill wire going under, trapped inside of both these so that it can't pop up, and then terminating here. And of course, the coil wire goes there in the corner. And since I'm using socket heads, which I think are a little smaller as far as the head goes, flat washers, I think, are probably going to be the best idea here with some 243. I mean, that's okay. Well, oh, and I put this on, and this has, if you can see the 243 running down through there is a little indentation that goes down. So you turn this until the top is flat with that. All right, I went a step further and wanted to fit the flywheel so that I could squirt some oil down inside the cylinder and work it around, you know, before we got further down the road. And so I got the Woodruff key and put it on, and then of course put the flywheel in place. And when I pull the nut out, there is quite a large lock washer, and I'm trying to figure out where it goes. So if it's not a mistake, I mean, we've got an M8 by 1 nut that typically goes, you know, on the flywheel. So I don't know if it certainly does not show on the IPL. And let's see if you can see this. Okay, you remember we've got the coil wire, you know, going through the case, coming up under, and okay, it's beneath the flywheel, and we pushed it down inside a crevice down in the case, and I pushed it down as far as I could. And I want to tell you, that does not want to stay down in the crevice. I mean, it's just going to chew. The flywheel will chew it up. I don't know how other people have, well, after pondering that a bit, what I did is I took a pair of needle nose and reached down in there and pulled up on that. And then looked down in there, and it had pulled it tighter, pulled it downward. I hate doing that because they were tight with .243. And that also needs to be down flat. Yeah, that's good. Can you see down in there? Now that is permanently below or in that crevice low enough to where that is out of the way. Absolutely out of the way. I'm glad I caught that. So that's a good thing to look for as we make the final adjustments.